Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Entrepreneur. Welcome to my vlogging channel / media channel. And we're going to do another little unboxing video. I know these are pretty easy to do, but what the heck, I like doing them. Now, just a little bit of a heads up. If you hear a bunch of chimes in the background, my wife has to work from home, the computer's over there. I don't know how to turn the sound off, and she's in the other room, so you know. This is where I like to do my unboxing, so I'm terribly sorry about that. And today we are unboxing this Best Buy exclusive Steelbook of 1970. This is one of the best movies of the year. Like, I don't say this too often because I know that people don't buy movies as much as I do, and that's why streaming works. But no, this is one you definitely want to buy in the best possible quality that you can. It won 3 Academy Awards, which means had it won Picture and Director, it would have won 5, which would have been the most Academy Awards that a movie had won in a long time. But nope, Parasite won, which was definitely a great choice. So let's start by looking at this. I love it. Mimics the theatrical poster really well. It has like the title with like the soldiers right there. It has a little sticker here, which it's a kind of a shame it's a sticker, which means it's going to get thrown away. On the back, you have the cardboard showing what was one of the best scenes I've seen directed in a movie in a very, very long time. There's a digital code included, all that jazz. So hey, let's open this and let's look at what this thing actually looks like on the inside, because this is a Best Buy exclusive. And the thing about Best Buy exclusives, they tend to sell out relatively fast. Now, there we go. There we go. Let's pull this out. So, take that and look at how beautiful that is. Look at how beautiful that is. That is a beautiful case. That is a beautiful case. Now then, we have a digital code. Don't bother trying to find that. I'm going to redeem it before this video goes up. So we have a couple discs. We have the Ultra HD disc, which is what I will be watching it in, obviously. Let's take this out. Oh, that's kind of stuck, actually. Let's take that out. You have the Blu-ray, which is shockingly very loose right now. And then you have the inside image. Everything about this package I love. This looks so good. So good. So let's put this back there. And I am going to be watching this movie tonight. I saw this twice in theaters, had considered seeing it a third time. Now I can watch as many times as I want. Now, unfortunately, because it's, black, I'm already seeing fingerprints getting all over this thing, such as the problem with these cases. But no, this is like, here, let's just open this back up and let's like do a full shot. That is a beautiful packaging. I mean, I'm sorry. I know streaming is way more convenient when stuff is available, but physical media is just so much fun. I can't even begin to tell you. So anyway, there you go. The Best Buy Steelbook edition of 1917. Get it while you can if you really want that. Otherwise, well, enjoy videos like this where you lament on what could have been. Or you could always go on eBay and pay a hugely inflated price. Anyway, you know the drill. I'd like to know what you think about all this. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.